What begins as a dispute over who is allowed inside an apartment quickly turns into a tense confrontation involving accusations of racism, a prior fight, a trespass warning, and eventually a felony allegation. The woman insists she is being singled out while her friend is treated differently. Officers, meanwhile, are trying to separate.
Let her go back in.
Okay.
Cause I'm black and she's not. Y'all are racist as fuck. Hell. Y'all are racist as hell.
You still have to leave the property.
Okay, let me take a video of you, sir. Damn, I don't have time. I'm the one that's involved. They're trying to kick us out because we got an altercation there last time.
Okay.
Can you come talk to me? Listen.
Yep. Just want to stand over there for me. I got more officers coming.
They told me to get out.
Okay.
You're not even walking.
No,
I'm
listening. Let's go.
But you're walking away from me, sir.
I'm listening. I gotta make sure they're good over there.
We got into altercation here last time. We were already in there.
Okay.
We got over to we were already in there. Then the guy who owns it said security told you to get out. So I'm getting out. I'm waiting for my friend. I'm saying y'all being racist because y'all the only one that called me out. They didn't call my other friend out, and she's Hispanic and she looks white, and they only called me out, and I had a problem with that.
Yeah.
And then he want to call the police talking about I'm touching him. I touched his phone because I said I want to talk to the police too.
Okay.
Because that's not fair, and she's still up in there. They keep letting her go back in, but I can't go back in. She's talking about she's looking for a sweater. She left it in there. They won't let me go back in there because they're being weird. But they let her go back in.
Okay.
Yes, but they let her go back in.
Okay.
Because I'm black and she's not. And I don't. That's weird.
Yeah.
They try to tell me I'm drunk, but I'm not. I'm perfectly sober. I can walk in a straight line right now, sir.
Okay.
And I don't that.
Yeah, I got you. They're over there.
And I feel like that's weird because we already got to. And then he said security told you to get out. We were in there for about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And then he talking about security told you got to get out because his girlfriend is the one that we got to altercation with before.
Yeah.
So of course he's gonna protect his girlfriend. And I'm like, well, that's weird. And then both of the securities, the white one and the Mexican one, told me I gotta get out. But my other friend was able to go in and out of there.
So,
and I felt like that was weird because I'm black and my friend's Akeem, the only other black one in there, and that's weird.
Okay, so hear me out.
At this stage, the officer is using a basic de-escalation technique, slowing the conversation down, repeating the woman's account, and asking her to correct anything he misunderstood. That can sound repetitive when emotions are high, but it helps establish a clear timeline and separates first-hand facts from assumptions. Her central complaint is unequal treatment. She says another woman connected to the earlier fight is still being allowed inside. The officer...
For a second, okay?
I'm hearing you.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, so... Correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm going to tell you what you told me back.
And they're coked out in there, and they think that's cool.
So I just need. I'm going to reiterate what you told me, and then you kind of fill in the gaps, or you take away anything. So you guys were partying here.
Mm-hmm. No, we were partying here first, and then we moved.
You were.
It was cool. Everything was fine.
Everything was fine, and then they went.
And the security saw us walk in there.
Yeah, so security saw you walk in there, and then what happens when
it was like 20 minutes later, and the guy came up to me, was like, the one who owns there was like, security told you gotta go. I'm like, why didn't they tell me that when I first walked in? Because they saw me.
So this is the overarching thing.
And I'm the only one who got told that. My other friend did not get told that until I got told that.
Okay. So this is the big. So I got the other officer talking with him. I'm gonna be talking with everyone to kind of make sure everything's all good.
I don't really care. I just want to go home, and and they keep letting her in and out, but I can't even go in because that security guy won't let me in, but he keeps letting her in.
So
which is weird to me.
Okay.
Is that not weird?
No. So here's the thing. This is the big overarching thing right now. It's their apartment.
Okay, but the shit they doing illegal as hell, and y'all not giving up for it. They can do coke in there. Ain't coke illegal, sir?
Coke is illegal, that's correct.
Okay, and that's what they doing in there.
This is an important legal distinction. The allegation that people are using cocaine inside does not automatically allow officers to enter a private residence. In general, police need a warrant, valid consent, or a recognized emergency exception before entering a home. At the same time, the trespass issue is separate. Even if the woman believes the residents are committing another crime, that does not necessarily give her a right to remain on their property after permission has been withdrawn. Her frustration is understandable.
Okay. So, unfortunately, I can't go in there without a warrant.
Get a warrant.
I can't go in there without a warrant.
Get one.
Here's the thing. And if they don't want you in there...
Okay, but the problem is... Okay, they don't have to let me in there. They can kick me out, but the other person who was in the fight, they still let stay in there and go in and out. And she's the one who started the shit.
Hear me out. I know
and the security racist as fuck. I don't get no fuck.
Okay, so this...
I'm done talking. I told you what happened.
Yeah, so
I don't need to keep repeating myself. And y'all gonna believe the security over shit. I don't give no fuck. I'm tired of talking about it.
This is why I'm talking with you, okay?
I already told you what happened, though.
And then I'm reiterating the story because I need you to fill in everything that doesn't really make sense to me, okay?
But don't make sense.
Because I'm trying to get us on the same page.
Okay, what don't make sense? I'm
trying to get on the same page here. So you're telling me that they told the other girl to go?
No, they didn't.
They didn't. Okay.
Till I said something.
With the fight. So now
that fight happened a month ago.
A month ago?
Damn near.
There was no fight that happened tonight?
No.
Okay. Monkey, did you go talk to the other security guard?
I don't care. The security guards are racist. I don't get no fuck what they saying. They gonna say shit against me because I don't live here.
Okay.
That Mexican ass bitch right there. I was trying to talk. I don't care.
I know, but here's the thing. You don't want to be causing the scene with everyone.
I am because y'all not listening to me because y'all not gonna do nothing. Because the last time we got into an altercation, y'all didn't do nothing.
What am I doing right now? I'm listening.
You're okay, but you're not listening for real.
Did anyone put hands on you?
No, that fight didn't happen.
It happened a month ago. It happened a month
ago, yes. And we already talked about it. And nothing happened.
Yeah. So nothing happened tonight.
We pressed charges and everything. Nothing ever happened.
Nothing ever happened with that. Was it at this apartment
that
it happened at? Okay.
We went back because we were like, okay, cool.
Everything's cool now, right?
Yes, I thought so. But then he talking about security told you to leave. Why'd they tell me to leave when they see me walking in? They should have said, no, you can't come in when I was walking in. But they didn't say nothing to me.
So, like I said, we're going to be talking with them, and here's the thing. As long as they're like, you're good to go, you can head out. They don't have no saying shit because the people in there doing coke and everything, and they're not saying nothing.
Now the footage shifts from one version of events to the property side of the story. Officers learned that a fight occurred weeks earlier and that security or residents recognized some of the people involved. That background may explain why access was revoked tonight, even though no new fight happened before police arrived. The key question is not whether the earlier dispute was handled perfectly. It is whether an authorized person clearly asked this woman to leave now. Notice how the argument keeps returning.
No, I know it's super unfortunate, but like I told you, there's nothing we can do.
All right.
Okay?
All right.
Because they said something about an incident happened like a month ago.
It's like a couple weeks ago. Yeah. Both of them were involved, plus another few.
Gotcha.
They basically just started.
Tell him, I'm here.
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up? We gotta talk to him.
Anyway,
there is a problem here. Security called us.
So there was a fight a few weeks ago. They were involved. Me and one of the other residents here recognized them.
Yeah.
And they were like, and I was like, what do you want to do? Like,
But why didn't you say that when we walked in?
Wait, did you say that there was still?
I don't know where it is, but they kept letting her in and out, but they wouldn't let me in.
Okay. Do you have any?
No, I don't. But that's not the point. The point is she never left her sweater in there, and they kept letting her in and out. And he's drunk, and he called me a bitch.
So here's the thing.
He tried to put hands on me, so you need to arrest him.
He didn't try to put hands.
Yes, he did. You weirdo. You're a racist ass bitch. I don't care.
Listen,
y'all try.
If you keep talking to me like that,
I'm talking to the police. You can have me banned. I don't get no. But at the same time, y'all getting on the wrong people. Y'all trying to tell me I'm the bad guy. When you see him cursing me out, but he kept talking to me. But wasn't he calling me a bitch though? Okay, but then you need to ban him. Okay, because he called me a bitch. I don't get no. He's drunk.
We on trespassing.
He's drunk.
Trespassing.
No, I'm trespassing. He drunk, and I'm trespassing.
I can tell.
But they let me in that bitch with your drunk ass.
You're outside now.
Look at him. You bet don't.
Just get back inside, man.
Get your ass because you drunk and say you see he drunk.
I got you, man. Just make.
Did you say you recognize her?
Ma'am, I'm going to explain the legal justification to you.
I don't
Security
get no
leave. That's it.
Okay, but at the same time, they said that she was here first, and they kept letting her in.
Here comes the decisive warning. The officer says that security wants her off the property and tells her she must leave. On private property, an owner, resident, manager, or authorized security representative can generally withdraw permission for a guest to remain, although the exact trespass rules depend on local law. Her claim of discriminatory treatment remains serious and could be documented or challenged separately, but it does not automatically cancel a lawful order to leave. This is
none of that matters.
Y'all are racist as fuck, and I'm gonna tell.
Perfect.
Y'all are racist
you
as
still
hell.
have to leave the property.
Okay, let me take a video of you, sir. No, I'm don't get no fuck. I don't get no fuck. Y'all are racist as hell. Because when I pressed charges, y'all didn't do shit.
I had nothing to do with
Y'all didn't go back and say nothing.
Okay,
y'all let them do whatever they want to do.
Property
and y'all let them do coke in that bitch.
Do you understand?
Okay, arrest me then.
Okay. If you're refusing to leave, that's fine.
I'll leave. I'll let me leave.
You didn't want to leave.
I'll let me leave. Let me leave.
Stop kicking.
Let me fucking leave.
You're done. We've been asking you to leave for 20 minutes.
No, you have not.
Yes.
The situation has now crossed from argument into physical enforcement. Just seconds earlier, she said she would leave, but officers say they had already spent roughly 20 minutes directing her off the property and interpreted her continued resistance as refusal. Once an arrest begins, pulling away, kicking, or physically fighting the restraint can create additional charges, even when the person believes the original arrest is unfair. Officers also have to use only the level of force reasonably necessary to gain control. From the camera angle,
I have. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me fucking leave.
Go to ground. You gotta back up.
Let me fucking leave.
Knock that shit off. Come on. Come on. You got that off. We'll get it. We'll get it.
Y'all are racist.
Stand by.
I'm suing y'all ass. Oh my dick. I'm suing y'all. Y'all fucking...
Stop. You did this to yourself. Come on now.
Oh no, I did it to myself. Bet. I'm suing y'all ass. I'm suing y'all. Don't worry about it. I'm suing y'all. Don't worry about it. But y'all not gonna ask her to leave because she was in it too. Ask her to leave.
Okay. Ace is nice when it comes to.
Go ahead and let go of this.
Can you pull my fucking shirt up?
Can I have your friend do it for you?
No, because why can't she leave? She was.
I'm talking about pulling your shirt.
Listen to me. She was in the same other kitchen I was in, but she not trespassing.
Roll over on your side.
Let's go. Y'all
That's just fine.
Normal. Stop touching me. I don't know, because why did she arrested? No. No. To me. Because you not arrested. You did the same shit I did.
Nope.
I'm suing your ass. Don't worry about it, because y'all racist. Why is she arrested? She's still on the property. She was involved in the fight. Why is she still here?
You didn't leave.
Okay, she didn't either. So arrest her too.
Are these yours?
No, arrest her too. Arrest her too, because she was in it too.
All right.
Oh, I'm getting up. Don't close the door on me.
What do you need?
She was in the fight too, and y'all not telling her to leave.
Doesn't have anything to do with it.
So
you were
what
just
is it?
told to leave because security asked you to leave.
I want to leave with my friend.
Okay, listen to me. Listen
but I don't want to leave by myself. I don't want to leave her by herself. She don't know nobody here.
I explained to you you were legally required to leave or you would be arrested.
Okay, but I didn't want to leave without my friend.
You don't get that choice.
But I don't want to leave. I don't know where I'm going.
You didn't say any of that. I said...
I'm telling you this now, sir.
When I explained that you're going to get arrested if you don't leave, you said, then arrest me.
Okay,
that's you not listening.
Because she's doing the same thing.
You're required by law to leave.
Sir, but is she not?
She is not. Security did not tell us that she needed to leave.
But security did not tell me, though. They didn't tell me that to my face.
Security told us and I told you
to your face. But they need to tell me to my face.
No, they don't. I do.
Okay, but can I leave then?
No.
This is the moment the stakes rise dramatically. The officer says the case is no longer only about criminal trespass. He alleges that she kicked officers during the struggle, leading to an aggravated battery accusation. Whether that charge is ultimately supported would depend on bodycam footage, witness statements, injury evidence, and the exact statute in that jurisdiction. Her defense is that she was being forced to the ground and had already agreed to leave. The officer's position is that the arrest was underway because she had refused prior commands, and that her actions during restraint were intentional resistance. This is why physical resistance is so risky. It can turn a relatively minor encounter into a serious criminal case within seconds.
Why are you arresting me?
Now because of the kicking, aggravated battery, so you get a felony.
So now I'm aggravated battery?
Yeah, absolutely.
Really? Because y'all were putting me on the fucking ground.
Because you were resisting.
No, I was not. I said that I was going to leave. Sir, I said I was going to leave. I swear to God, sir,
you did not say
kid.
You said
sir, I said arrest me because I didn't do nothing wrong. wrong?
By being on the property, you were doing something wrong.
No, okay, because they didn't tell me to leave till I was in there.
I did.
Sir, but I wasn't going to leave without my friend. I didn't want her to be by herself. What do you mean I don't get that?
When the police tell you you have to leave, it's trespassing.
Why did you tell her to stay? Why did you tell her to leave?
Because security is the one who decided.
They told me and her both to leave.
They told me, they told you.
So they didn't tell her, because she was involved in the fight.
No one has told me anything about her.
This is her phone.
Her phone?
Yeah.
I didn't do nothing.
This your phone?
Yes, give me my phone,
This
please.
is coming with us to the jail.
No, I'm in the, no, don't close the door.
Do not put your leg in the door.
Okay, but I want to say something.
What do you want to say?
I got in there, okay? They told me to leave. I left. But can I talk, please, sir?
No.
I have a right to talk. That's my right. You didn't give me no rights. You didn't read my rights.
I don't have to read your rights. Injuries at all?
No, she kicked me, but I'm fine.
Okay. I believe we all got kicked. We'll worry about the victims on the report and stuff.
I'll get all their names and stuff. It's obviously we didn't get it initially, so.
That works.
Okay. Do you need anything else from me?
Nope, just security's name should be good.
I swear to God! I swear to God, I'm suing you. Y'all racist as fuck. Y'all don't give no fuck about black people, because my friend didn't get arrested, though, and they kicked her out, though. You listening to me?
I already explained that to you.
Before. That was not right. You ain't have to do all of that.
Yep.
No, you fucking didn't. Don't worry about it. I'm suing the fuck out of y'all.
You have that right.
Bet I get money. Bet I get fucking money. Take me to the jail. Come on.
That's where we're going.
But y'all not gonna arrest her because she's still on the property and she got kicked out.
I've already explained that to you.
Okay, but no, you didn't.
Security.
You know I was kicking. That's a felony.
Security
Don't
did
worry
not.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Be quiet. Don't
Perfect.
Y'all wrong as fuck. And y'all racist as hell. And don't worry about it. I'm getting this story out. Okay? Because y'all want to pin me down to the ground? Three officers, though? You needed 3 officers to pin me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you needed 3 officers?
That's how many we had.
No, but y'all, you didn't need 3 officers. One person could have arrested me. You didn't need 3 officers to pin me fucking down. That's legal?
That is legal 100%.
You didn't need 3 officers to pin me down. I weigh less than 150. You didn't need 3 officers. I know my rights. You didn't read me my rights, so I'm free to go. And don't worry about it. You didn't say you didn't have the right to remain silent. You didn't say none of that. And I swear to God, you ain't say that.
If we didn't advise, we had one in custody 5 minutes ago.
No, you did not.
I'll be 95, 2 county, 1 adult female, starting 0.
Anything you do can say it being held against you and just. You did not say that. And I swear to God, you didn't say that.
You are correct. I have not read you your rights.
You have no right to detain me if you didn't say that.
That is not how your rights work.
That's how the law works. You didn't say you have a right to remain silent, so then I'm free to let go. You didn't say that.
10-4.
You didn't say that. You just pinned me down to the ground. You didn't say you have the right to remain silent. So therefore, I'm free to go. And you know you didn't say that because you just admitted it.
Yes, because that's not how it works.
That's how the law works. If you don't say that, then I'm free to go.
No, that is not correct.
The repeated argument about Miranda rights is based on a common misunderstanding. In general, officers do not have to read Miranda warnings simply because someone is arrested. Those warnings are typically required before custodial interrogation when prosecutors want to use the person's responses in court. An arrest does not automatically become invalid because the warning was not immediately given. The officer explains that distinction, but the woman continues to believe she must be released. This exchange also shows why arguing complex legal points from the back of a patrol car rarely changes the immediate outcome. The proper place to challenge the arrest, evidence, force, or selective treatment is through counsel, court proceedings, and any formal complaint process.
My rights. You didn't give me my rights.
That is only if I wish to ask you questions while you're in custody.
Did you go to school?
Yep.
Okay, make sure you say the same thing when we get to the office.
I will.
Now make sure I'm gonna tell you. I don't care. You didn't read me my rights. If you don't read me my rights, then I can't be arrested. That's how it is. That's law. So I'm gonna be free to go because you didn't read me my rights. You're racist as hell. But you didn't arrest her. Talking about security told you to tell me to leave. But then told her to leave? So she could have stayed, right? Let me out.
Calm down.
I'm calm, but you weird and you racist. Where you from?
Here.
Exactly, racist ass. I'm not giving you none of my information because you have no right. You didn't read me my rights, so therefore I don't have to read you shit. Can you let me out?
Nope.
Okay, bet. I don't feel comfortable with you. Let me out.
It's okay, some other officers are coming.
Okay, let the other officers come, but I don't feel comfortable.
They are. Hello. Hopefully, different people will make it go better. I have no clue. She will not provide any information.
He did not give me my rights. Okay, but he didn't give me my rights. Okay, but he didn't give me my rights, and therefore I cannot be arrested. That is true. So if he didn't give me my rights, I can't be arrested. How?
Because you're not being questioned right now. That's only for
So what are you arresting me for?
I'm not sure what her charge is.
Criminal trespass and aggravated battery.
Like a black officer. Okay, all right, bet. I'm suing you. I don't care. Okay, T-bills. Don't touch me. Why are you touching me? But they put me down on the ground and you don't care. Why are 5 officers taking me? Why are 5 officers taking me?
I'm just gonna walk.
Okay, but why are 5? Can 2 people walk me? Please. Just one. 2 people, okay, you don't have to touch me. Why do 2 people have to walk me?
Let go of my hand.
Okay, but you don't have to touch me.
Yes, I do.
Y'all are...
Let go of my hand.
This encounter began with a disputed removal from private property and allegations that security treated 2 women differently. Officers attempted to gather both accounts, clarified that they could not enter a residence based only on an unsupported drug allegation, and repeatedly focused on whether she had been ordered to leave. The critical decisions came when she rejected the warning, told officers to arrest her, and then physically struggled during the arrest. Conduct police say included kicking and elevated the case to a felony allegation. At the same time, the footage leaves accountability questions about communication, consistency, force, and whether her discrimination complaint was meaningfully documented. Final guilt, justification, and liability are matters for evidence and the courts. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life bodycam breakdowns.